Google Maps has changed the way we navigate the world, and it's worth knowing how to get around Maps itself if you want to unlock its full potential. Google continues to revamp and improve Maps with features like augmented reality and commuter options, but there are a ton of customizable tools and hidden functions already baked into Google Maps that you may not know about. Here are 5 fun ones you should have in your back pocket. 1. Customize your vehicle icon. This one's truly just for fun. If you're driving, Google lets you choose what car shows up on your navigation in the iOS and Android apps. In the app, plug in your destination and start up driving directions. Tap the icon that shows your current location, and a pop-up menu will appear with several car icon options: a sedan, a pickup truck, or an SUV. This one's purely for fun, but it's just a nice one to have in your arsenal if you're driving other people. 2. Get AR walking directions. If you're walking around a city and need a visual aid, Google Maps supports augmented reality walking directions in certain locales. Essentially, it layers directional prompts atop street view imagery to help you know which way to walk or turn. The feature initially rolled out in 2019 for Pixel phones, and later expanded to other Android phones with AR Core support and iPhones with ARKit support. The area itself needs to have robust street view support. If it's available, you'll see a live view option at the bottom of your screen when you search for walking directions. If you don't have AR yet, find the blue dot on Google Maps and tilt your phone in the direction you're about to walk. That blue location dot will cast what looks like a shadow in the direction you're facing to help you get oriented. 3. Learn about the parking situation. We all know Google Maps can provide turn-by-turn directions based on live-ish traffic data, but it's less known that it can provide you with a glimpse of the parking situation. When you search for driving directions to a location on an iOS or Android, you may see a P logo at the bottom of the screen, along with one of 3 designations: limited, medium, and easy. This can help you decide how long to allocate for parking, or even if another form of transportation may be a better option. 4. Navigate with voice commands. If you want to interact with maps while you're driving, you don't actually want to take your eyes off the road. With OK Google voice commands in the Google Maps Android app, you don't have to. For example, if you notice you're running low on gas, just say, "OK Google, find gas stations," and it will show gas stations on the map, which you can look at when you've come to a red light or have pulled over. You can also ask for things like, "What's my next turn? What's my ETA?" or "How's traffic ahead?" On iOS, you have to tap the microphone icon at the top right, at which point you can ask your questions via voice. 5. Auto-delete your Google Maps location history. If you're worried about all the data Google will have on you from all this coming and going, there's a way to mitigate all that. Google lets you periodically auto-delete your location history from the company's servers. You can set the data to erase every 3 months, every 18 months, or keep the data until you delete it manually. Just navigate to myactivity.google.com and click Location History, then Auto Delete, where you can choose how often to delete your data, including where you've been on Google Maps. To delete everything it's captured until now, navigate to Settings, then Personal Content, then Delete All Location History. Google Maps is great, but privacy is privacy.